Inside the box are foam boards, accessory pack, light strings. Foam boards have the base and the sides. Expand the base foam board. Pop out all the holes. Glue the skirt lines with stickers. Make sure to tape all the skirt lines front and back. Pop out all the holes. Bend all the side walls following the skirt lines. Foam boards are installed according to the marked numbers. First, match numbers. Second, insert. Attach them one by one. Glue the gaps between side walls. Remember to tape all the gaps. The string light package includes a string of light bulbs, light shades, and buckles. Insert the lamp shades. The side with the numbers is the back. The lamp shade should be attached to the side without numbers. Attach all the buckles to the light bulbs. Insert the bulbs into the lamp shades one by one. Install the light string in order. Hot glue gun and glue not included. If you want to make it more stable, you can use the hot glue gun to glue the side walls to the base from the back side. It's a bit tricky and you'll need some hands-on skills. All done. Put in the batteries and see how it looks.